Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Here we go.
Welcome to Treasure Hunt Toys.
Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to make the Forest Flying paper airplane, and let me tell you, this is super easy to make. These work amazing out of any of the paper airplanes we've tried to make. So let's get started. I'll show you how you guys can create your own. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using a piece of printer paper. Printer paper works the best, it folds the best. You can use construction paper like I've used there. They are just harder to fold and don't quite work as well in my opinion. Printer paper is the best. When making paper airplanes, you want to make sure that whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. You want it to be very equal. The first step is to fold the paper in half. You want to make sure that both corners line up perfectly. And then in every fold in making an airplane, you want to make sure to use your nail and firmly press against the seam so that you get a flawless fold. I'm going to flip it around and do the same thing again. Open it up, and next is to fold down each corner. Again, do the same thing on the other side. Next, we now fold it in one more time, making sure we line it up with the fold. Now, keeping this side up, you want to fold the tip of the airplane all the way back to the point here. You want to make sure it lines up perfectly. And fold. So it should look like this so far. Then you fold like this. Making sure all your folds are seamless. And then do a slight fold right here on both sides. Copy the same thing on the other side. Making sure that both points line up perfectly. And it should look like this. Now that we have that done, you want to fold this tip part down, so you're bending it right at the end of those folds. Straight down like that. Then folding it like this. Now we are going to fold this over just like this. And repeat that on the other side, making sure that it's equal. Now, once that's completed, we fold it open, and our next step is to put a little fold right at the top, so right on the top here. Doesn't matter what side you fold it down on because we're not keeping it here. We're just putting the indents in the paper for after. You'll see in just a second. So fold that down. I do it on both sides just so I get a good fold line, and then pop it back up and leave it. Now it should look something like this. Next, we're going to be folding a fold on the bottom of both of these sides inwards. So repeat the same step on the bottom here so that they look like that. Then when we flip it back over, now with this little folded area, you want to bend it in like this. Fold everything in now. Let's reinforce all of these folds again one last time. And you got your super fast paper airplane. This thing is amazing, you guys. Let's test it out. Let's see how far we can get this to go. Okay, we're outside. We're gonna test out our paper airplane. When you are flying these, you wanna make sure to keep the front up, facing upwards, and only launch them with medium strength. You don't want to shoot too hard or they will just go down. So let's try it out. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Here we go. Whoa.